Okay, got a 2003 TDI. My malfunction is whenever I have the car in idle, just parked, start it up, runs fine, but then I'll start driving and or rev it up, and this happens. So that light pops on. When I'm driving, it stays on, keeps flashing. At first, now that I'm idle, it's not going to, but while driving, it stays on. First, I thought there was a major problem, but checked the oil. My oil was fine. I kept driving, and that problem persisted. So, one thing we're going to check. Oil pressure sensor is right here. And then I noticed the wire to it got cut. So you might be having problems with your pressure sensor, and this is the location for it.